Rokid glasses feature powerful Owl capabilities, combining both language and vision intelligence. You will receive two packages. One containing Rokid AI Glasses Style, and the other containing the custom lenses. Open the packages, and you'll find Rokid AI Glasses Style, charger, nose pads, user manual, glasses case, protective pouch, custom lens.
How do I use these glasses?
Rokid AI Glasses Style support a variety of lens options, including 11 types of non-prescription lenses and custom prescription lenses that can be ordered from the official website. Prescription options include different refractive indices, progressive lens, tinted lens, photochromic lens, blue light blocking lenses, and several other choices to meet your eyewear needs. Before use, remove the original lenses and replace them with the lenses you purchased. When removing lenses, use the included cleaning cloth to protect the lenses and your hands. Next, align the edge of the new lens with the frame slot and press it forward firmly. Because stability after installation is important, the lens may feel a bit tight. This is normal. Apply firm pressure until it snaps into place. Lens replacement completed.